Hi guys, I wanted to come to you today with my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of April 2018. I think that's what month we're in. I've looked inside of here and I think this is one of my favorite ones yet. Here is the little, they did it different. It's a pamphlet or something. And it shows you pictures and it gives you descriptions now. And then on the back it has a 10% off Tarte.com and it's code April Boxy, and then there's a Dr. Brandt VIB offer. I'm not real sure what that's all about, but there you go. So this month is called Eye Candy, and so let's just see what we have. And this is a Des. I don't know. I've never heard of this brand. High definition liquid lipstick. Let's see. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I like that. What shade is it? Do we have a color? It's made in China. It doesn't have a color. Does it? No, it doesn't have a color, so it's nameless here. We have a nameless product. Let's see. That's pretty. I think that'll work. I like that. So, it doesn't have it has a scent to it, but it's not an awful one, so I like that. I will definitely give that a try. So that, the Ades Luxurious Creamy Long-Wearing Liquid Lipsticks provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of a wand applicator. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting, brilliant color and intensive shine in a single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, EU compliant. And this is Deb's fave. I don't know who Deb is because they have a Deb's fave, a Barbara's fave. I don't know who these people are. So, oh, must be these people right here. So, that is the first thing I got in here. The next thing is the Tarteist Pro Glow. And it is in Sparkler. And let us see what we have here. So that's what it looks like. And woo. Oh my gosh. That's what that looks like right there. I think I put a little too much on. You think? So hang on, let me get a baby wipe out before we have the fiasco going. And I have this all over the carpet and me and everything else. So that, the liquid lipstick takes a little bit of wiping to get off, but it did come off. So in case you're curious on that. Let's see. The Tarteist Glow Liquid Highlighter. Glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. I think I hit the intense part. Ultra concentrated pigment and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto skin and keeps moisture in with tapered squeezable packaging to put out the highlight exactly where you want it. Wished I could read. Oh, and that lipstick that I showed you a while ago, this was $24. And this Tarteist, what did I do with it? This is a good video. $29 for this. So that's cool. Each one of these is more than the box because the box costs 21 bucks. So I'm enjoying both of those. Then the next thing I see in here is a Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner. And you know, these are expensive things. This is for oily combination skin, and I have highlighter on this hand now. Great, I'm going to be wearing this or eating it, one of the two. Pore purifying mask. That's cool. I can't wait to try that. This is worth $47 in this bottle. So we've gotten 2 other ones from Boxycharm, and they were like $60 ones. This one's a $47 one, so that's good right there too. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. And it's $47. So I'm super excited about that. This is the only way I get to try Dr. Brandt products, so loving that. And the next thing I have in here is from the Brow Gal, and it is the Instant Brown Hair 02 Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. So I'm not going to open that right now because I have some to go through in there, but where is... See if I can get it the right way up. There you go. And this one, the Brow Gal Tinted Eyebrow Gel with Microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural feel to their brows. And this is $22 is how much this one costs by itself. And then, and I have brown hair, so hopefully this will match, and you can't hardly see my eyebrows anyways because my bangs are in the way. And the last thing that's in here, there were like 4 or 5 different things you could have got, palettes. I think they were all from ColourPop, and this is You Had Me at Hello eyeshadow palette. Sorry. And this is what it looks like on the back. And this is an $18 palette. So this is the only product that didn't get to the $21 mark, but that's fine with me. It has a mirror in it right here, as you can see. And then this is what the shadows look like in it. And I have 1 or 2 of these palettes, not this same one, but I have the Femme Rosa, and I think they sent out another one. I can't remember what it was. But anyways, and these are, they have some kick up, but they are very pigmented, so I like these. The purple one looks like. You can see it has some, let's see this shimmer up here. That's pretty. I picked out of that one right there. Yeah, so they have some really good pigment on their eyeshadow. So I'm super excited about that. Where is the napkin so I don't get everything everywhere? So I am super excited about everything that I got. Let me take this out. I think it will all go together. I think I like every one of these things, so I'm super excited. They gave me a lip gloss that I won't look like a clown. These colors I definitely will use. This I will use hopefully sparingly the next time, because I've already seen what Intense looks like. The Brow Gal, this is in brown, so I like that. And then the Dr. Brandt's Pores No More vacuum cleaner. Love that. So I am super excited about this box. Loving it. So definite yes on this month's box that I love. So I just want to show you what was in the box I got for April 2018. If you got this box, if you got something different, because I know they were doing different lipsticks and different palettes. So if you got something else, I have a cat here running around here. Let me know what you got and if you liked it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, please do. I would love to have you here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.